Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local app data %. Click View, click Show Hidden Items. Delete icon cache file. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type Disk Cleanup in Windows search bar, click Disk Cleanup. Check thumbnail, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.